And as you can see, the unit is still freezing up and not working properly. Nothing. Now to cut off. Now we'll try to cut back on. And then there we go. Hit the navigation button. Language ready, content ready. Loading user interface, UI ready. I shouldn't be seeing all that. That should just already be done. Then of course, don't do this and that. Screen. Accept. Auto detecting GPS receiver. Just pull it out here where we have a absolute clear view of the sky. Should have already done by now. Zero satellites. Before the repair, it was always at 12. So we'll back it. And still stuck at auto detecting GPS receiver. And we're in La Cartera Park, California. Wherever the hell that's at. There you go. And this is how my Alpine INE-W960, how well it works after it was received back from Alpine Repair. So, for what it's worth, there you go.